So, you know me, I don't really talk about drama too much, but this kind of thing just really pisses me off. And I know I'm not the only dev who uses Photoshop, so I wanted to talk about it. I was having a long day at work, and when I finally got off, I went to grab some dinner with friends to blow off some steam, and as soon as I got there, I get this ping on my phone. I check it out, and lo and behold, it's my bank telling me that my monthly subscription for Adobe was charged. Now, normally this isn't a big deal, but ever since I made my 2025 resolution to pay off all my student loans, recently I've been really strapped for cash, and so I just checked my account to, to see how much I had left. Normally I pay $39 a month for Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe After Effects, so that's how much I was expecting to see charged. But when I opened up the bank app, and I see a charge for nearly $70, and I'm like, whoa, what the hell is going on here? But I was in the middle of dinner, and so I kind of blew it off until I got home, logged into adobe.com, and immediately asked to speak to an agent, and I was waiting for like 30 minutes, and finally they responded asking me,
"Oh, what's going on?"
And, I'm aware that the person that I'm talking to is not the direct cause of all my problems, so I tried to be nice. And I kindly let them know, hey, listen, you guys promised me my monthly fee for Photoshop, Premiere, and Effects was going to be $39 a month the last time we talked, and I just found out today that I was charged $69.99 this month. And when I looked further into it, I noticed that it wasn't just this month, it was actually the last 4 months that I was basically charged double the cost for no extra services. So I think there's been some kind of mistake, and I'd like to refund all the times that I was overcharged and reduce my monthly subscription back to the originally agreed upon price. And you know what they told me? They were like,
"Oh yeah, well, $69.99 is just the price now. We thought you were okay with that."
And I was like, excuse me? I didn't even know the price changed until I literally just decided to check my bank account. Did you even tell us? You guys didn't even tell me that you were just doubling the service cost for no reason. And then the agent I was talking to got all squirmy and was like,
Well, there should have been, like an email. Did you not get the email?
And I was like, what email? What day? What time did you send it? And they just picked like some random arbitrary date and time, and I was like, I'm gonna call you guys out on this. And I went through and I took screenshots of all my Adobe email history, inbox, trash, spam folder, and I showed them that I had never ever received any mail from them on that day or even that month. And then they were like,
"Well, I don't know what happened. You should have gotten the email, but I don't know what you want us to do because this is just the price now."
And I was like, oh, don't worry, I'll make it very simple for what I want you to do. I want you to honor the deal that you gave me when you said I would get all 3 software for $39 a month. And you were gonna refund me the difference in the price jump for all the months I was paying double without knowing it. And then they were like,
That may not be possible,
and I told him, like, listen, the only reason I even agreed to the $39 a month was because it was barely affordable, and if that's no longer possible, then I'm gonna have to cancel my subscription because your competitors like Krita and DaVinci Reason are basically the same service but completely free. And then they were like,
Whoa, wait. Let's not be so hasty. You know what? I actually found a way for us to keep your monthly fee at $39 a month. Is that good enough for you?
And then I was like, fantastic. Yes, that would be great, as long as you also refund me for the months that you overcharged me. And they were like,
"Oh, refunds are really difficult, and the policy and protocol dictate."
And I was like, yeah, sorry, that's not my problem. You should have confirmed with me that I received this email because I never got notified that you were going to raise the price. I had no way to consent to this price. And frankly, I don't have the money either. So you either give me a refund or I'm out. And so they finally caved. And at the end of the day, an hour and a half later, I got my monthly subscription back to $39 a month, the way it was supposed to be this whole time, and refunded for some of the previous months. But the thing is, this only even occurred because I happened to notice the discrepancy in my bank. Like, it's fucking crazy. But if I didn't remind them to simply honor the deal they made with me originally, they would have just secretly double charged me for God knows how long. So I'm making this video so any other devs or artists out there who are subscribed to Adobe, check your fucking account right now and make sure that it's the same number you agreed to in the beginning. Because if it isn't, you really should go to the website and let them know that you know and that you're not having it. And ask for a refund for the past months too. They'll make up some mumbo jumbo excuse and how
oh, it's just the new price and refunds are difficult.
But they're just lying to you, okay? You have to straight up tell them to do it, otherwise they won't. So share this with anyone you know who uses Photoshop or Premiere or Effects or Substance or any Adobe product, really. I almost didn't catch this, but now hopefully you won't get blindsided like I did. Regardless, I hope that helps, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.